Small update on the truck. It's been stripped out. The front end and the rear end. Also the interior. As you can see, there's a little bit of rust. It has a new steering wheel because the original one that came with it I felt was too big for this size vehicle. As you can see, these are some of the components of it. This is part of the front suspension. Original wheel. It's an R10 rim. And right here, you will see the original axle that came with it on top of a Miata NB subframe. Just so you can get a size difference. This right here is the original gas tank. It's around 8 gallons. The radiator for the original engine. The transmission is right here. It's a 4-speed. Here is the engine. Again, little size comparison with my hand. Ignore that. That wasn't part of the car. That's actually part of a Hayabusa. That's the oil cooler. And that will be the engine powering the truck eventually. This right here used to be for the heating unit. And just so you can see, right here, the wheels that I switched out to are R13. Here's a quick comparison between the two. And I'm going to show you the engine bay, so you can get an idea of the space that I'm working with. Here's the original wheel. Here's the engine bay. Literally just enough space for the wheel. And if you put it down, just enough space for the wheel. Even the Hayabusa being a motorcycle engine, it's still a very, very tight fit